12-pack of 15-foot ratchet tie-down straps for securing cargo and other items for transport, 1-inch width. Ideal for residential or professional moving, suspending objects for space-saving storage, and more. Metal ratchet closure with polypropylene paddle connects to strap end for adjustable hold and tension. Workload of 500 pounds, braking strength 1500 plus pounds. Durable woven polyester strap with reinforced stitching. Top reviews from the United States. Outstanding value. These are just as good as any other economical ratchet straps, but at a better price than most. We bought them to secure our household goods in a moving truck, and they were great for that. The 15-foot length is nice too.